Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to sell digital products on Shopify easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Shopify store. Log into Shopify and ensure your store is properly set up with payment methods and basic settings configured. Step 2. Install a digital downloads app. Go to the Shopify App Store and install the Shopify Digital Downloads app or a third-party app like Sendall. Step 3. Add your digital product. Go to Products, Add Product. Enter the product title, description, and price. Under Media, upload an image representing your digital product. Step 4. Attach the digital file. Scroll down to Digital Downloads and upload your file, PDF, ebook, music, or software. This ensures customers receive a secure download link after purchase. Step 5. Optimize product page and publish. Write a compelling product description, add SEO-friendly keywords, and set up a strong call to action. Once done, click Save and publish your product. That's it. Now you know how to sell digital products on Shopify easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.